Regarding the psychology of testing, we have to make sure that the mindset to be used while testing is different from the one that is used while developing software. Developers build products to meet a real-world need, while testers should check to see if they're good enough. With the right mindset, developers are able to test their own code. However, separation of this responsibility to a tester is typically done to help focus effort and provide an independent view. A certain degree of independence often makes the tester more effective at finding defects and failures. It helps avoiding the author bias. Independence is, however, not a replacement for familiarity. Developers may efficiently find many defects in their own code. Several levels of independence can be defined from low to high, including tests designed by the person who wrote the software up until tests designed by a person from a different company. Identifying failures during testing may be perceived as criticism, but as a result, this testing can and usually is seen as a destructive activity. If errors, defects, or failures are communicated in a constructive way, bad feelings between the testers, developers can be avoided. There are some ways to improve communication between testers and others, and this includes to start collaborating right from the beginning and communicating every finding, even good, neutral, or fact-based findings. So the idea is to involve the entire team in software testing that enables individuals to learn confidential and privileged information, and sometimes this implies that usually a code of ethics is necessary, among other reasons, to ensure that the information is not put to inappropriate use. Some key points to take away. Testing is a process that includes several activities and objectives. There is static versus dynamic testing. There is also a distinction between debugging and testing. Testing plays an essential supporting role in delivering quality of software. Testing principles offer general guidelines common for all testing, and there are 7 testing principles. The mindset to be used while testing is different from what is used or should be used while developing software. And finally, a code of ethics is mandatory to ensure the correct usage of the information that is brought upon the results to be considered after testing. Thank you for your attention.